days left for the Budget 2025 presentation, the traditional Halwa ceremony will take place today at North Block in New Delhi. So what is the Halwa ceremony? Well, the Halwa ceremony is a time-honored tradition that marks the commencement of the lock-in phase of the Union Budget preparation. The ceremony involves the preparation of halwa in a large kadhai at North Block, with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman leading the event. She is joined by senior officials and staff involved in the budgeting process. This event celebrates their hard work and dedication. And what is the significance of this event? Well, the halwa ceremony is symbolic as it marks the official lockdown at the Finance Ministry. From this point onwards, all officials involved in the budget preparation are confined to the ministry until the budget is presented in Parliament. The printing of the budget documents has been carried out in the basement of North Block since 1980. And like always, the Union Budget will be presented on February 1 this year, and the Parliament's budget session will begin on January 31 and continue until April 4. This year, the budget will be paperless, continuing the tradition from previous years. Further, it will be closely watched for economic direction, particularly amid weak GDP growth and subdued consumption. India's GDP growth for Q2 of 2024-25 stood at 5.4%, which is lower than expected, signaling challenges ahead. Therefore, as Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman prepares to present her 7th budget, attention will be on how the government addresses the economic slowdown and sets the course for Modi 3.0's final phase.